Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up an SMTP or a server or an email server on cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, SMTP is of course the simple mail transfer protocol. And you can very easily set it up and create it through your cPanel account. I'll be using the cPanel documentation just to show you guys how it's done since I don't have access to cPanel myself, but it's very easy to follow, so I'll just go ahead and show you guys the steps. Now, once you log into cPanel, of course, by going into cPanel through your IP address :2083 or your domain address :2083 or /cPanel, and then once you log in, you can go into your email section, go into email accounts, and then click create to create a new one. Then once you're there, and once you enter all of your information, you just need to enter a domain or select the domain you want the email to be connected to, enter a username and a password for that account, click create, and it'll generate that account. Then you need to configure your client so it knows which server to connect to and how to authenticate. Then you just need to go to the list, click on connect devices next to the user you've created, and then select whether you want secure SSL or TLS settings, which I do recommend, as well as cPanel. And you can also use non-SSL settings if you wish to. However, I do recommend you use the secure ones. Then once you select which ones you want, then you can go ahead and go into your email client and enter all the needed information, such as the username, password, the incoming server, the outgoing server, and the IMAP, POP3, and SMTP do require authentication, so keep that in mind. But yeah, once you use all of this and enter the relevant information into clients such as Outlook or possibly even Gmail, you can use your email simply to use your email client to look over your email, but your SMTP or email server will be set up by this point, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.